Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and enable Outlook offline mode. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first thing what I want to make clear is that you can only go ahead and enable work offline or offline mode on your Outlook application on your desktop or Mac rather than your web browser, because obviously you'll need an internet to access a web browser. So there's no actual settings. If you check going into settings general, there's no settings for offline. However, if I go to my application and then click on files, click on settings, click on general, and as you can see there is going to be an offline setting right over here. Now all you need to do is simply go ahead and select which folders to save to, and you can enable or disable offline email calendars just like that. And once you've done that, it is gonna be right over here. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.